name is Rachel Papo. I'm a photographer based in Brooklyn, New York, and I had postpartum depression. Twice. My projects are often based on personal experiences, so I decided to explore this topic. I was curious why, even though postpartum depression is something that many people know about, why are mothers still so ashamed of it and hide it? I started with my own story, using text messages and photos from the time that I was going through it. And then I started wondering, how many other mothers are out there that went through the same thing? How is their experience compared to mine? Can I somehow recreate their stories through text and photographs? I put an ad online, and women responded immediately. I started interviewing mothers and then photographing aspects of their stories that seemed significant or reflected something that I had experienced. These women were relieved to talk about it. Some broke down and cried, because many of them never opened up about it to anyone. It's Been Pouring, in a way, shines a direct light on these mothers' darkest moments, exposing the unbearable tension between the miracle of birth and things that are kept hidden. I've been developing this project for over 6 years, and I'm very excited that it's going to be published. This unique, multi-layered book will be comprised of my own story and a chorus of mothers who echo it. By supporting this important project, you will help me bring more awareness to postpartum depression and encourage open discussion. Because really, it's not just a mother's problem. It affects us all.